Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. It is powered by an L48 TurboFire V8, which is 295 horsepower. It is an RS SS, and it is extremely clean in that butternut yellow. We're going to do a complete walk around, take it for a test drive. If you guys want to find out full information on this ride or any of our inventory, click on the link below. It's going to give you underside shots, financing options, and if you don't see a price listed, that's because it's probably going to auction. And we'll give you a whole entire breakdown in the description below. Overall, first impressions, I'd rate the paint a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. I do see some imperfections, but they're not bad, and we will show you them throughout the walk around. It does have the Rally red line tires, and all the badging is proper for an RSSS. It does have a black vinyl top, and the interior is black, and it has a 4-speed, so we're gonna have some fun today. Very clean throughout. All the body is metal, and underneath is extremely clean. I did see that they have some paint work on this quarter after the fact of the full repaint, along with the passenger side. Other than that, I don't see any rust bubbles or imperfections in the pigment. Front end is extremely clean. You do have the hideaway headlights. All of your badging is extremely nice. Hood shows very well. Does have the slats, which is signature for 67. We also have the antenna that's in our storage, so we'll put that on there. We take it off for the cover to fit on it. 350 badging. When you open up the interior, you're gonna see, oh, there's the, I found it. I found the antenna. Let me put it on real quick for our test drive. As I said, we take it off so it doesn't put a hole in our covers. Interior is extremely clean. You can see that white outline throughout the whole entire seat panel. Center console is extremely nice. Headliner shows well. Door cards are in great shape, and there's no rust throughout. This is a very, very solid car when you look at the pinch welds right here. For the door, all your latches are proper. They're not painted over. They work as they should. And listen to it close. Super tight. All of your bright work on the bottom panels shows very well. Wheels and tires are in excellent condition. All your trim rings around the fenders are very nice, and all the bumpers are show quality. I'm gonna start it up right now while you guys take a look at the driver's side. Driver's side is the same as the passenger side. Paint shows very well. You can see where they did do a blend right here, but I mean, I'm being very picky. Most people wouldn't notice that. All metal throughout. All right, let's start her up. Very healthy. We just did new spark plugs, checked all the points. It starts up easily. Emergency brake does work. And it sounds really, really good. Horn works. Let me go in the back so you can give it some gas. Nice and throaty. Taillight bezels are in perfect condition. And as I said, it does have show quality chrome throughout front and rear. And all the bright work is extremely nice on the vinyl top. There's no bubbling of any kind. This is a really nice Camaro. All right, we're gonna open up the trunk now. Very detailed, has a trunk mat. And they cleaned it up properly. There's no water intrusion. No one spray bombed this thing. All the wires look good. The bezels look good. Your lock mechanism's very nice. It's not sprayed over with overspray. You have your jacking instructions here. This is a killer car. And it closes nicely. Gaps are even. Oh, that's from my finger, I apologize. I'm gonna raise my rating for the paint. I don't ever do this, but I think it's an 8 out of 10 easy. It shows really, really well. And the fit and finish is unbelievable. So 67, you're gonna have a bar that you hit the pull. It'll pop right open. There's a power plant, 350, 295 horsepower. It's a 4-barrel carburetor. Runs really nice. You do have power steering and power brakes, proper radiator. We did replace the battery when it got here, new fluids and filters, spark plugs. We also had the transmission looked at in regards to the linkages, and it shifts perfectly now. This car came out of a collection in Canada, and we're really proud to showcase it right now. Let's jump in and go for a ride. Let's start her up. I'm gonna push the clutch in. Oh, starts right up easily. The shifter is a Muncie shifter. AM radio turns on. Blower motor does work for heat, which is really nice. Wipers work as they should.
I think it's a full package.
Yeah, this has everything. Lights operate, and you can see them actually light up in the dash. Turn signals are operating as well. So we're just going over all the features. So when you buy this car, you know exactly what you're getting. We have 100% positive feedback selling cars sight unseen, and there's a reason for it. We'll tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this one so far is just beautiful, and there's not much ugly. Reverse is really easy. So you push over and go as if you're gonna go into first. Clutch feels nice. We're gonna stop at our storage and get some gas, and then we'll continue on our journey. It's very quiet. All right, we're gonna take it out on Ravenswood. There's no chattering from the clutch. Smooth shifts. You can see all the traffic on 95 here. It's around 4:30 right now. We're gonna put some gas in it, and we'll take it out to our little artistic area, get some outside shots for you, and help you guys decide if this is the right 67 Camaro for you. I'll back it up. There's a GNX right there. And if you guys can tell me what's wrong with it, I will give you a decal pack in the comments. Clutch is really easy. It's nice and smooth, so you can just pull it out and it doesn't have like a chatter. A lot of traffic here today. Let's see how it feels. Are you ready? Feels good. Feels like it's got all the ponies still. Fourth gear, cruising at a good RPM. Fuel gauge does work. We just added about 3 gallons of fuel into it. We're gonna turn right here. Brakes are even as well. Downshifts are easy. That's into second. By the way, I'm sure you're seeing that airplane right there. We are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale airport, so if you want to fly in or send an inspector, you're more than welcome to do so, and we'll get them an Uber there or pick them up personally, maybe in this ride. I hope you guys are enjoying the test drive. I'm going to show you that the lights do operate, so I'm pulling back on the lever right now, and they should open up. Very healthy. It's at operating temperature now. We're going to get some artistic shots so you can see some cool stuff, and then we'll take it for the rest of our test drive and get some exteriors. Thank you again. Let's do it. We're getting to where we can test it out. Let's see how she does. Feels good. Nice and smooth. We're gonna get some outside shots for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a call if you have any questions, 954-363-2261. Have a great day.